Hi, this is Mike Pucciarelli, and tonight in this webinar, or short webinar, I'll be talking about how to create a boring sky and turn it into an exciting sky. And there's a few ways you can do this. The first method is called sky replacement. And you can choose many templates. Depending on what you want to do. And you could, shift the edge. You can fade the edge. Then you can adjust the brightness. And it's good to, do the temperature. Adjust the scale. You could flip it. Sometimes you could use a screen blending mode or multiply blending mode. And then you could adjust the lighting. You adjust the color. And if you want to output, I just recommend outputting to new layers. And then it creates a group of layers you can adjust. Like this is the brightness layer. You adjust the brightness or contrast. This is a color balance layer. You'd adjust the subtractive colors, cyan, magenta, yellow. And then this, of course, is the new clouds. And then this, it's right for the foreground color, it's the curves layer. That's one way using the sky replacement. Now I'm going to start all over. I'm going to do a selection. I'm going to go to my adjustment layers. I'm going to do gradients. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip the angle. You can use any type of angle you like. Show you to look more natural. You can also change your style, but I like to use linear. You can use any gradient you like. I'll just like to use the basic. I don't want to do reverse. And then we're still not done. We could use this with screen. We use any blending mode you like. All depends on what you want to do. You can also adjust the opacity. You can also adjust the fill. So there's just many ways you can do it. Most times I just like to use the gradient fill adjustment. But you can also try the sky replacement. All depends on what you want to do. I'm going to use that. I'm going to shift some edges. I'm I'm going to fade some edges, make it brighter. I'm going to make it more blue by going blue in the temperature. I'm not going to touch the flip. I like these blending modes, make it look a little more darker. I'm going to output everything to new layers. And then you can adjust all these. I'm going to start all over with this file, push F12. I'm going to do the same thing over here. I'm going to use the gradient layer. And these are worth experimenting. You can adjust the scale. Adjust the angle. And again, you could, change the blending mode of the screen. Go through all the blending modes. So there's a few things, many things you can do with the gradient fill layer and also the sky replacement. Thank you for listening to this presentation.